This is what I'm going to use to just protect the outer coating, outer shell of from stones and chips and that sort of stuff. Septone Stone Shield. It says shake until the ball runs freely, which it also says to sand it and use wax remover. Sanding, not really bothered about a nice result. Obviously you can still see the fiberglass and that's fine. It's not really, it's not going to affect anything. You're never going to see it. And the more I sand it, the more it's going to take off the epoxy. Also says to use a wax and oil remover as well, but I've literally not touched it with hands or anything. So as far as I'm concerned, it's just one of those decisions that I've got to make, and I'm happy with it. I shall proceed. Whew, it goes on thick. I managed to get 2 coats out of it. I put it on pretty thick. I'm not sure whether I put it on too thick, but 2 coats, 1 square meter a coat, 2 square meters. It's an interesting product. It goes on less of a fan, more of just a ball, a round circle of spray, which, as you can see, they're really hard to get a nice even coverage, but I suppose that's not what we're after. We're just after thick, tough, and in this particular case I'll have to do, and actually really happy with that.
Like the Taliban. That's my paper, don't you bottom mine.